One thing we have to embrace in Africa is to create greener cities. You see China is the people of China are very, very creative. They like to create harmonization between people or human beings and nature. You see how they collaborate very well. Human beings and nature collaborating. You see, beautiful green wherever you are walking in Beijing, wherever, it's always green. You see, green wherever, green robots, green plants, and everything is really just green, creating that harmony, you know, harmonizing nature and human to make it beautiful for tourists and just any other person, even Chinese nationals who appreciate their government really through the great work of the Communist Party of China, the CPC. So let's work on beautifying Africa just like this. Just like this. Please stop cutting down trees. You see how China has made use of the tree to beautify their city, to beautify the whole country. So please strengthen timber laws. Timber laws, the law that is prohibiting the cutting down of trees. And if you are to cut down trees, replace them. Afforestry. Replace the trees that you are cutting down. It's needed, as you can see, really needed. I mean, this is a city, but in the middle of the city, within the city, you just find trees like that. Can you hear the sound of birds? Can you hear the sound of the birds? Do you have grass in your cities like that? See the cars. This is a city. Maybe you are thinking I'm in a forest. I'm not even in a forest. This is a city with grass. So you and I should introduce something like this in our countries so that we attract tourists in this manner. Thank you. Somebody told me that the cars, vehicles with green number plate represent electric cars that are only charged. They don't use petrol, but the car is charged electrically, and that car will just move. That's what I heard. I don't know how truthful it is, but I heard that every car with a greener number plate is an electric car, while the rest of the cars are having a blue, can you see that blue number plate? Wherever you are walking, you would always find bicycles grouped like that. Can you see the bicycles? I'm telling you, no one would touch them because Chinese people are very peaceful. They don't steal. Those bicycles, they are not even placed with padlock. There's no padlock, or if the bicycle is not locked, just put there, but no one is touching it. Africa, let us improve, and we shall be a blessing to Europe always, not the other way around. We should not depend on Europe, but we are a blessing to Europe, really. Do you love the green part of it? Do you love the green part of it? Let us work on improving our cities, really. I love what I see. China is very creative. People of China are very, very creative. Both the government and the citizens work together to come up with a good China. When are you coming to China? Let me know so that we can come vlog together. We can even do a collaboration video, collabo in short. We run a collaboration video here in the People's Republic of China, Beijing, or any other place. Yes, we can do this. Are you familiar with this place? Are you familiar with this place? Drop a comment. Beijing Wanlu Clinic. Do you know where the clinic is? That's actually where the clinic is. Voila. It's so busy here in China, even at night. Like when you are walking down the road, you have to really focus because it's either a car passing by or a bicycle, a motorbike. As you are walking down the street, like this one is kind of like, this one is a mini road. It's a mini road across these shops here, grocery shops. So my dear, you really just have to focus. As you are walking, you have to keep focus in your front because a bicycle or any transport can come up anytime. I don't really meet a lot of people walking on foot, but they are mostly in bicycles. Do you love those lights? They are looking so nice, but they are not really coming out of the camera nice. But if I wish you could come this side and just observe them physically. They look so nice. So bicycles, wherever you are walking, bicycles, my dear, in Beijing. Imagine, see that bike coming towards me. Imagine if you were not focusing in front. You can confuse them, the drivers, the motorcycles. Like Thank you.